Hi, it's Rachel. In this video, we'll be reviewing how to create a group. Please note that top-level or parent groups can only be created by system-wide or account-wide administrators. Users with administrator permissions to groups can edit the group settings but cannot create top-level or parent groups. When you first log into the system, you'll be brought to this dashboard. To get to the Groups page, you will need to navigate to the Account section. To get there, click on Account, then Groups. That will bring you to the Groups page. On this page, you will see options to filter through groups by text and include inactive groups in the results. The blue highlighted group is the group that you are currently working in. Below the filter bar, you will see Group's ID, Group Name, Account Name, Owner email, and document retention. You also see options to switch to the group, view group details, edit the group, and deactivate a group. Our use case today is that I'm an administrator in the My Company group and need to create a group for customer-facing transactions, workflows, and more. Adding a group can be done by clicking on the Add Group button. You will then see the Add Group pop-up. This is where you can enter information of the group such as basic information, document integrity, and more. The group name and owner name can be different, but we will keep it the same in this example. Owner email is the default email for transaction notifications. The group ID will auto-generate, but you have the ability to customize the ID. Please note that once the group is created, the ID cannot be changed. You also have the ability to create the group but make it inactive. We want the group to be active as we are ready to use it, but if your team is not ready to use the group for any reason, you can uncheck the Is Active checkbox. Document retention is the number of days until transaction documents will be deleted from the server once a document is set to the complete status. If you keep this blank, the retention setting is forever. If you want all documents to be deleted after 1 year of being completed, set this value to 365. Session expiration is the default number of minutes a user session will last without reauthentication or return of the user to the return page. Valid values are 1 to 10,800 minutes. If no values are specified or set anywhere, then a default value of 30 minutes is used for the user sessions within this transaction. Password change is the default number of days in which the system requires all users to reset their password if not set in their registered user settings. You will also see a checkbox to lock out system-wide administrators. If this box is checked, system-wide administrators will not be able to edit or work with the group. This setting will need to be unchecked in order for the system-wide administrators such as support teams or other administrators to help troubleshoot or work with the group. A checkbox to enable cascading permissions is also available. If this setting is checked, once a user is given permission to the top level or parent group, the user will have the same permission to any of the subgroups under the parent group. Privacy policy will allow this group to link directly to the privacy policy that is applicable to them. This will show in the group's branding. User experience will set the branding, content set, and email template set the group should use. These settings can be changed at the workflow level if other branding, content, or templates should be used. Email language will auto-filter for the languages available for the email template set selected. If you wish to change the language, you must update the language options for the selected email template set. A specific logo can be uploaded for each group. The group logo can be updated and changed at any time. Multi-factor authentication will allow you to create and enable a custom multi-factor authentication email. To ensure the email includes the one-time passcode, you must include the passcode placeholder in the body of the email. Email services will allow you to select the email integration the group will use. In order to use another email service, you must add the integration credential first. Once the settings are finalized, click on the Add Group button. The new group should now appear on your screen. To see an overview of the group, click on the name of the group or the View Details button. That will take you to the group's page where you can see an in-depth view of the group's information, subgroups, and more. This is a location where you can edit, deactivate, and switch to the group. Now that your group has been created, click on the Switch to Group button to begin working inside of the group. You can now see that the group name on the screen has changed and the My Company Customers group is now highlighted in blue as the group you are currently working in. That's our review of how to create a group. Thank you for watching.